Oh my god. You guys aren't gonna believe this. And it's just... I can barely talk right now, okay? Amy. Hey. Okay, ready? It's just changed. It's a complete new version. Oh my god. New person. Just, I can't recognize it. Just, I don't know. She is so, if you're listening anywhere out there, anyone, someone, just, no.
Jinjin.
Yeah?
There's something different about me.
Wait, what are you talking about? No, you're completely different.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
Look, it's the same old me.
No, you're being blinded. You're not the same anymore.
How?
You're different. There's a difference between us now. It's just tearing us apart.
Just tell me what it is and I'll fix it.
Okay. You see, the Amy that I know,
Yes?
that is my BFF.
Yes. What is it?
My best friend forever. She would never wear her hair up. Why?
I am so sorry that you feel this way.
The universe just like broke apart when I just said that.
I'm so sorry. I will never wear my hair up again.
Oh my god, thank you.
You know what?
See, now you're completely the same. Wait, there's one more thing.
What?
You got your eyebrows reshaped, didn't you, girl? Mm-hmm. You got
Yes, I did.
Oh! Sweet. Her eyebrows are so nicely shaped now. Oh my
Yes.
gosh.
Oh my god.
Wait! There's something else. Holy snap, there's something different about this chick.
Jinjin, there's nothing different about me.
What?
Yeah.
What? Amy, no, you're being blinded. No, you completely